This is Kim. Today we're going to be presenting a math lesson on systems of equations at a 9th grade level. So everybody should have a fairly decent idea of what systems of equations are. At the very least, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of solving using substitution, elimination at some level, but by the end of this lesson, everybody should have a pretty good idea of how to solve decently hard problems. So just as kind of an icebreaker, I want everybody to quickly think about what it means to solve systems of equations. Like conceptually, what are we solving for, and what does our solution represent? So just take a quick second and discuss among you guys, just for a couple seconds. Like,
Equation. So a system of equation has
Multiple
y
equations,
and
right?
x's, yeah, and also numbers, and it has two equations.
It could be like multiple, huh? More than two.
Yeah. Oh, two
Two
plus.
plus.
So you usually are solving for either a number or a
What is
variable.
our solution?
alright, so just now that everybody's had a chance to think about it, who has an idea? Who wants to share? What does it mean to solve systems of equation? What's the goal?
To find the value of either variable or find a numerical answer.
Okay, yeah.
For system equations, it's generally when you're trying to find where the lines meet, where they have the same x and y coordinates.
Exactly. So, just as a recap, systems of equations, the overall goal, the point you're finding is where the two different equations of lines, where they intersect. So, with that in mind, just on number 2 really quick, just refer to the graph, and based on what you see there, and your prior knowledge of solving systems of equations, what might be the quickest way to go ahead and solve this problem? And you have a choice of A through D, and just looking at it for a couple of seconds, what might be the quickest way to go ahead and get an answer?
Like just look at it.
Graphing? Okay,
Yeah.
why graphing? Why not elimination?
We have a graph.
Right, yeah, graph. That's what we were going for. So basically, I always thought graphing was the most annoying method to solve these, so I never ever used it. But sometimes it makes no sense to use the method you're not, the most comfortable with, in order to, save more time on a test. So if you could just quickly go to number 3, we'll do one more warm-up question here. It says Henry was tasked with solving the following systems of equations. 2